Have you ever wondered if a few small oversights could derail your retirement? In the next few minutes, I will uncover the mistakes that may be standing between you and the lifestyle that you want after stop working. Now stay with me because these missteps are more common than you think. Hi, I'm Sunwook Jin, a certified financial planner, committed to helping you boost your financial confidence through education and actionable steps. Today, we're taking a closer look at common retirement savings mistakes made by folks just a few years away from retirement. I'll highlight the pitfalls and share tips on how to avoid them so you can move forward with more clarity. Mistake number 1, neglecting to fine-tune your contributions. Many people begin saving but fail to adjust their contribution level regularly. If you started saving later in life or feel like you might be behind, consider increasing the percentage you contribute. Automatic transfers are a powerful way to stay consistent and avoid skipping. Mistake 2, ignoring employer matching contributions. When a company offers a matching contribution, that match can significantly increase the value of your portfolio over time. Now aim to contribute at least enough to obtain the entire match. Leaving matching contribution behind is like passing up additional growth already set aside for you. Mistake number 3, cashing out retirement accounts. When changing jobs, some people see an old 401k as a quick cash during a job transition. Early withdrawals often bring hefty taxes and penalties and lose future investment potential. Explore rolling over funds into an IRA or your new employer's plan to keep your nest egg intact. Mistake number 4, not having a clear plan. The most serious mistake is operating without a written plan. Ask yourself how you want your life to look once you retire. Will you travel, pursue different hobbies, or spend more time with family? Once you identify your goals, you can reverse engineer the monthly savings you need, rather than just guessing. A detailed plan helps you stay focused and track your progress. To summarize, the major pitfalls are not adjusting contributions over time, missing out on employers' matching contributions, withdrawing funds prematurely when switching jobs, and ignoring the importance of a solid plan. Being proactive in these areas can help keep your retirement on track. If you want to figure out how much you will need as a bare minimum at retirement, check out the free retirement calculator that you can use right now by clicking the link in the description below. Now that you know the common mistakes that can derail retirement, the next step is to take action. Small adjustments today can significantly impact your future's financial security. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on building a confident retirement. And don't forget to check out the free retirement calculator in the description below. It's a great way to see if you're on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future video.